To start our tutorial, these are the things that we need. We need a ruler, of course, the glue, white glue or any fast drying glue, X-Acto blade or any X-Acto blade that you have, or blade and a pencil. Okay, and the most important material is this cardboard. This cardboard is 560 GSM and length is 11 inches by 8 inches. The size of the materials of the cardboard depends on what the size of shadow box you will make. My artwork will be measured 11 by 11. The length is 11 and the width is 11. That's why I choose 11 inches. To start, we will make an outline at the edge. Okay, this is I measured 1 inches. I have to mark every 1 inches. The size depends on you if you want to measure 1.5 inches or 2 inches. For me, I choose 1 inches each. Then we will make a straight line, connect both edge to the marker that we've done, then to connect like this. So this is it. We have 8 spaces on this cardboard. What we're gonna do is divide it by 4. We have to cut it in half. So here it is. We have to make 4 pieces of this. I have two more to go. So I already have 4 pieces of this. What we're gonna do is we have to cut the outline, but not totally cut. We have to cut it that it's still attached using the guide or the outline that we made. So we have to cut it gently so that the space that we made will not be separate for this to this cardboard. So that the purpose of this is we can fold it easily. That's why we cut it slightly. That's the term. We have to cut it slowly so that we can fold it easily later, because my cardboard is a little hard like this. Just repeat the process to all the cardboards that we made. So after we're done with the last process, what we're gonna do next is we have to cut the 2 cardboard. We have to cut some parts of the cardboard at the edge. Just 2 cardboards. From the edge, we have to measure the same width that we done. The width that we done is 1 inch. So we have to, starting from the both edge, we have to mark 1 inch. Just shown in this video. 1 inch. If your space that you made is 1.5, of course you will measure 1.5 from the edge. Since I made 1 inches, I marked 1 inches from the edge. We will done on these 2 cardboards. After we done marking, we have to draw an outline like this. We have to connect from the mark from the edge, leaving the one space untouched. Same process with the other side. This is for folding purposes. Just follow the outline that I made. Same process will be done on the both sides. 1 inch, 1 inch, then we make an outline. Then, using the outline, we have to cut it. We have to remove this side using the blade. We have to remove this. Just follow what I did in my video. Done removing. The next step we're gonna do is folding and gluing. Now we have to start folding and gluing. This is how we fold the cardboard. And we have to connect the both edge using the glue. You can try you can use other glue that dries faster. For this, I'm using wood glue so that it dries faster. Make sure the glue are already dried before we're doing the next process. The next process is assembling. We have to assemble it like this. Just follow this instruction. We have to connect the both edge like this. And same as the bottom. So it would look like this. Just checking if it fits perfectly. It's look nice. Now we have to start it gluing. Now it's already dried, and this is the back cover of my shadow box.